Alright, this trick starts with the trapeze over your 2 fingers. And then you're going to roll towards your non-throw hand and then go over it. And at the same time, you're going to intersect these 3 strings with your throw hand. Roll over your index, hit this bottom string, and roll back over and land on that bottom string. Next, you're going to go onto this bottom string with your throw hand pointer finger, and then roll off over your throw hand index onto this top string. Swing over like this, and then come back onto the string you were already on. Next, you're going to roll over your non-throw hand index after going onto this top string. And then you're going to use your non-throw hand index to grab this string that's on the inside of your finger. And then as you roll your throw hand over it, you're going to go through this string and all these strings like that, so that string drops off. Alright, a lot of this last part is going to get blocked by my arm, so I'm going to do my best to explain it. You're here or here. If you go on both strings, either way is okay. If you go here, you're just going to roll the yo-yo over your non-throw hand. You're going to drop this string off your throw hand index. You're going to come over towards your throw hand, come back behind it, put your non-throw hand in front, swing the yo-yo up towards your non-throw hand side, and bring this hand under it while it's in the air. And then you're going to be in a green triangle. And you can just hop out to the front. If you have any questions or trouble with any of this, just leave a comment and I will do my best to explain it better. Thanks for watching.